A w dzisiejszym odcinku zobaczymy sobie, jak pięknie gra tutaj z telewizorem w studiu, który ma tutaj piękne wytłumienie Sonos najtańsza wersja. Zrezygnowałem z trailerów, gdyż tutaj będziemy mieli w grze, nie będziemy mieli copy strike, rozumiecie? W grze też dobrze słychać. Posłuchajcie.
We should get back on track to the evac center. From the iconic Hollywood Hills and Venice Beach to the A-lister mansions in Santa Monica and Bel Air neighborhoods, our story takes players on an epic roller coaster ride through LA's most iconic, vibrant landmarks. The Halperin Hotel is just down the valley. Occupied by the now undead military and ravaged by massive earthquakes and wildfires, the hotel is now a powder keg. Lucky for us, though, we've introduced a powerful set of skill cards that enhance Slayer abilities to help level the playing field. What's more, players can swap and combine them, tailoring their playstyle to suit any scenario.
The Halperin Hotel. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave. Quiet, isn't it?
We've decided to adjust Danny's build to better resist close-quarter attacks and deal slow but powerful damage. In Dead Island 2, your environment is also another resource to exploit in your quest for survival. From car batteries to gas canisters and acid spills, chaining elemental effects like electricity, fire, and caustic acid is just another way to wreak havoc on the dead. While locked at this stage in the game, by tapping into your corrupted DNA, you'll be able to unleash deadly mutations and explosive abilities that mimic the powers of the undead. We call this Fury Mode. With the military all but gone, we need to find another way to contact the authorities. While scavenging for resources, we'll have to face new and unexpected zombie encounters.
What's a little fire, eh? I'm sure I can find something to put it out.
In Dead Island 2, you'll face more than simple walkers. These deadly and challenging mutations pose unique threats. Beyond the dozens of grotesque variants in LA, Apex are hyper-mutated zombies that pose terrifying challenges with unique powers and behaviors. And our standard zombies come in all sorts of unexpected variants. With the fire extinguished, our hotel excursion ends with Danny discovering a functioning military radio.
Breaker, can anyone hear me?
I hear you. I'm Dr. Reed.
Unaware that another sinister and quite unique encounter is waiting in the dark.
Doctor, I'll need to be putting you on hold for just a moment.
Hey, wait! I need you! You have to get here! Hello? You okay?
our behind-the-scenes preview has come to an end. But with so much more to show you in the coming months, we hope you enjoyed this small snippet of Dead Island 2. See you in LA, Slayers.
No i pięknie gra. Ja jestem bardzo zadowolony. Muszę wam powiedzieć, że jest to czołówka soundbarów za niewygarowane pieniądze.